Hello, I'm Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 1, Section 2, Number 8, which reads, Nutritionists consider Greek yogurt to be a healthy food. It is an excellent source of calcium and protein, serves as a digestive aid, and it contains few calories in its unsweetened, low, and non-fat forms. So if you look to the right of your screen, the concept that you see tested here is called parallelism, which is in a list or in a comparison, corresponding sentence parts must have the same structure. Now, it's really important that you might read that and say, hey, it looks like gibberish. Well, it kind of sounds like gibberish. You have to study this along with the example. So you might first ask yourself, is this a list or a comparison? Well, it's a list. There's 3 parts to this list. And it starts after the word it. After the word it, the first part, number 1, it is an excellent source of calcium and protein. Number 2, it serves as a digestive aid. And number 3, as it says originally, it contains few calories in unsweetened, low, and non-fat forms. Well, if we look at the first word in the first part, and usually that's where you can find your parallel structure and therefore your answer when you look at the first word in each part. It is an excellent source of calcium protein. First word in the first part is a simple present tense verb. First word in the second part, serves to be a digestive aid. So the first word in the third part has to be a simple present tense verb. First word in the third part contains few calories in its unsweetened, low, and non-fat forms. Now, identifying the word it as right after that the parallel structure begins, you could attach each sentence part to it, and it makes sense. It is an excellent source of calcium protein. It serves to be a digestive aid, and it contains few calories in its unsweetened, low, and non-fat forms. Now, let's see if we were to make the other parts parallel, how the sentence would read. If answer choice A were correct, then the second part would have to say it as well. So it would have to say, it is an excellent source of calcium and protein. It serves to be a digestive aid, and it contains few calories in its unsweetened, low, and non-fat forms. But it actually would not be necessary to say it each time anyway. But those parts would be parallel if you said it for each of the 3 parts. Answer choice B, to make it parallel, you'd have to say being an excellent source of calcium and protein, serving as a digestive aid, and containing few calories in its unsweetened, low, and non-fat forms. That would make it parallel, but it would not make sense with the rest of the sentence. And then answer choice D, in order to make that parallel, would have to say will be an excellent source of calcium and protein, will serve as a digestive aid, and will contain few calories in its unsweetened, low, and non-fat forms. That would make it parallel, but the verb tense would still not work for the sentence. So anyway, answer choice C is parallel to the first and second parts of the sentence. Thank you for joining us today. If you would like to see a certain problem, then let us know in the comments. You can also share this with someone you think would benefit from it. Click like and click subscribe so you don't miss anything. See you again soon.